Most people promote regular hosting and struggle to make sales, but a small group of marketers is quietly making money by promoting something called DMCA, ignored hosting. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it. Hey guys, welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm Nick, and today we're diving into something that's not just interesting, but actually a real income opportunity if you understand it properly. Here, I'll show you how people are making money with DMCA ignored hosting affiliate programs step by step, in a simple and practical way. And don't worry, this is not just another promotional video. I'll break everything down so you can decide if this model is right for you. Let's start with the basics. DMCA stands for Digital Millennium Copyright Act. In simple terms, it's a law that allows content owners to request removal of copyrighted content. Now, most hosting companies strictly follow DMCA rules. If someone files a complaint against your site, boom, your content gets removed, or your site may even get suspended. But DMCA ignored hosting works differently. These providers are usually based in jurisdictions where DMCA laws are either not enforced strictly or handled differently. That means your content is less likely to be taken down instantly. You get more freedom in what you host, and your website stays live even under pressure. Now, this doesn't mean you should do anything illegal, but it does give flexibility for certain types of content and business models. Now let's get to the real question. How do you make money with this? The answer is affiliate marketing. Here's how the model works. 1. Find the right audience people searching for offshore hosting, privacy-focused hosting, adult streaming, or controversial niches, or businesses tired of strict hosting rules. These audiences are actively looking for solutions. Create content around their problems. You can create YouTube videos like this one, blog posts, tutorials, comparison videos, focus on solving problems like best hosting for privacy, how to avoid DMCA takedowns, offshore hosting explained 3. Promote hosting via affiliate links. You recommend a hosting provider and place your affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. C. Scale with SEO and YouTube. Once your content ranks, you get consistent traffic, passive clicks, and recurring sales. That's where the real game begins. Now, here's something most people don't talk about. This niche is still less saturated compared to normal hosting, which means lower competition, higher intent audience, better conversions, and if you position your content properly, you can build a long-term income stream. Now, based on my experience and what I personally use and recommend, there are platforms like QLoudHost that offer DMCA ignored hosting along with a solid affiliate program. What makes it interesting is not just the initial commission, but the recurring income model. Let me explain this simply. If someone buys a hosting plan using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. But it doesn't stop there. When that user renews their plan after a year, you get paid again. So instead of one-time income, you're building recurring profit over time. And that's what makes this model powerful. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Go explore and see if it fits your strategy. If you still have any questions or confusion about this model, just drop a comment below. I personally read and reply to help you out. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more real, practical hosting and online earning content. Thanks for watching. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down more smart ways to build income online. Stay smart, stay consistent.